Well, hello YouTube, welcome to my Chaos Life again. How do you feel? Is everything okay with you? My name is Mirela and today I'm gonna show you a trick. A trick about an anxiety. And we all have an anxiety sometimes. How to deal with this anxiety? You will need only two things. First one, bottle. And second one, glitter. Yeah, I already tried this and it helped me. So when you feel stressed, you can just make your own bottle of anxiety and I hope it's gonna be helpful. So first I remove any labels because they didn't pay me. So now with this empty bottle, I will get rid of this water. I did two at once. And now I'm gonna put some glitter inside. Let me just figure out how it's working. Okay, I already have glitter all over, but I hope it's worth it and I can be helpful to you. That's so satisfying, huh? You can put as much as you want. I prefer to have more. And now, when we got this, we need water. That's all. So now we close the bottle and we're ready. That's all. That's everything that you need. And be sure you close it right, because otherwise... And that's how it looks right now. You feel sad? That's your mind. And you can slowly just see how your mind is just relaxing. And you're relaxing too. You see that? It's so slow. Next thing, your husband comes to the room, and if he's saying something very stupid, what do? You don't fight with him, you don't scream at him, you just slowly relax. Very, very slowly. Just breathe. Yep. But then, you're stressed because you have a lot of work to do. You don't even know where to start. You know what we do, right? I think I'm having a breakdown. A breakdown. Yeah, short video this week, but I'm pretty sure it's going to be very helpful to some of you. It might seem strange, but trust me, it actually worked. So go try it yourself. Whew. Don't forget to love your chaos, because chaos doesn't mean always something bad. You can subscribe to my YouTube channel because you don't want to miss any of my videos. I upload every Tuesday and Friday. So see you in the next video. Slowly relax. Breathe. Peace out.